WaterWear for Sonnet 3 is a completely waterproof cover that allows you to swim and do water sports with your audio processor. Clean and thoroughly dry your hands before handling WaterWear. And make sure the inside of WaterWear is dry and clean and not damaged. Before attaching WaterWear, switch on your Sonnet 3 with the standard battery pack cover attached. You must use the rechargeable battery standard or disposable alkaline batteries. To make putting on WaterWear easier, if your audio processor has a flexible ear hook, make sure to bend the ear hook back into its neutral position before using WaterWear. Carefully insert the coil into the WaterWear cover. Hold the battery pack between your thumb and forefingers and insert the ear hook until it sits tightly in the tip. Hold the control unit with one hand and use the other hand to pull WaterWear over the battery pack. WaterWear fits tightly, so you will feel resistance when pulling it over the battery pack. Make sure WaterWear fits snugly around the entire processor without any bubbles, and check that the coil cable is not twisted inside the cover. With clean, dry hands, apply the adhesive strip to the bottom of the battery pack, following the shape of the processor, but do not seal it completely. Place Sonnet 3 on a flat surface. Hold on to the coil and run your fingers along the cable to press out any remaining air. Seal WaterWear completely by applying the rest of the adhesive strip. There should be no gaps between the strip and the cover. Check again that the audio processor is sealed on all sides and that there are no bubbles. Each adhesive strip can only be used once, but each WaterWear cover can be used up to 20 times. We recommend using an additional fixation device when swimming, such as a swimming cap.